how to find all your downloaded files on Telegram. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find all the files you've downloaded on Telegram. Whether it's important documents, awesome memes, or that hilarious cat video you just had to save, it'll show you how to locate them all in a jiffy. Let's dive in. First, let's open the Telegram app on your phone. Now head over to Settings. Tap on the Settings icon in the bottom right corner to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, you'll find an option called Data and Storage. Tap on that. Next, tap on Storage Usage. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all your chats and the total size of the media files you've downloaded in each one. To find all your downloaded files in one place, tap on Files. Here you go. This is the treasure trove of all your Telegram downloads. You'll see everything from documents and photos to videos and audio files. Want to open a file? Just long press on it and select Open File. And that's it. Finding your Telegram downloads is super easy once you know where to look. Now you can easily access and manage all your important files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.